Most travel pros are familiar with using Google Flights as a research tool, but there's a lot more to it than just simple flight searches. So let's dive in and mention a couple of advanced strategies. Suppose we wanted to research a transcon flight from LA to New York. Once we're on google.com/flights, we enter LAX in the from box and NYC in the to box. Then we select a date range, so we'll select April 14th to the 21st. Google instantly displays the flight results for us in order of the lowest price first, and you're probably familiar with this view so far. What a lot of people miss is this option to view the date grid. When you click on that, Google shows you the prices for all the surrounding dates on one handy chart. And sometimes you can find a much cheaper price by choosing a different combination of dates. Along the top, you can see all the possible departure dates, and down the side are the return dates. At a glance, you can see which combination of dates gives the best prices, and those are shown on the boxes highlighted in green. There's also another handy function too. When you click on Price Graph, Google shows the prices for the same length of trip, in this case 7 days, but departing on the 60 days following the date we entered. So we can quickly see whether it's possible to get a better deal by departing later than the dates we'd originally entered. We can even use the back and forward arrows to see even more date choices, further backwards and further forward. Pretty nifty, right? Lastly, if you're not ready to book just yet and you want to keep an eye on the prices, if you turn on the toggle marked Track Prices, as long as you're logged into an account, Google will monitor the search for you and send email updates whenever the prices change. So try out those search tips for Google Flights and let us know how you get on with it. There's certainly plenty of flight deals to be had right now. Thanks for watching. For more travel pro tips, be sure to watch the full episode here and subscribe to this channel here. And then click the little bell and select all so you're notified about the new episodes. Also, we have a nifty free guide for you, which you can get at travelproshow.com. It's called 7 Top Travel Hacks to Save You Money on Your Next Flight. And it's the ultimate blueprint for getting the best deal every time. And finally, thank you for supporting creators like us so we can continue to bring you high quality original content. See you on the next episode.